Now, this was a high-profile rave party that was busted on the Arabian Sea on that ship, a cruise liner. As per NCB chief Sameer Wankhede, Bollywood Shah Rukh Khan, in fact, his son Aryan Khan was also present at that cruise. He's currently being questioned by the NCB after being detained. And according to the NCB sources, Aryan Khan's phone has also been seized. Officials are currently going through his chats. And according to exclusive details accessed by India Today, another high-profile person called Arbaz Merchant brought Aryan Khan to that cruise ship. NCB has, in fact, recovered drugs from Arbaz's shoes. Meanwhile, a formal process of arrest has begun as well. The NCB is currently recording statements of 8 accused. Post-recording of that statement, suspects will be placed under arrest. It may take about 2 to 3 hours. In fact, the NCB has also sought the lists of the guests from the organizers.
ये जो ऑपरेशन है ये क्रूज शिप पर था, तो ये अपने आप में एक पहला कदम था। इतिहास में ड्रग रेड्स एनसीबी के द्वारा कई बार किए गए, लेकिन हाई सीज में किसी क्रूज शिप पर पहली बार किया गया। ये एक अपने आप में अनोखा एक स्टेप था। दूसरा था कि इसके लिए इंटेलिजेंस कलेक्शन पिछले 10 से 15 दिन से लगातार किया जा रहा था और इसको पुख्ता करने के लिए, इसको वेरीफाई करने के लिए, इसकी वेरीफाइबिलिटी को, ऑथेंटिसिटी को समझने के लिए और मेहनत की गई। और जब ये डबली श्योर हो गया कि हाँ, ये इनपुट्स सारे सही हैं, पुख्ता हैं, और उसके बाद ये भी इंश्योर किया गया कि इसमें रिस्क फैक्टर क्या है, थ्रेट असेसमेंट कर लिया गया। तो उसके इस सारे कैलकुलेशन के बाद जो है तय किया गया कि आज रेड किया जाए और मुझे खुशी है कि रेड जो है सक्सेसफुल हुआ।
सर, बॉलीवुड के बड़े हस्ती के बेटे के नाम भी यहाँ पे आ रहा है और इसके अलावा क्या वैसे जो रिकवरीज किए गए उसके बारे में बताइए।
रिकवरीज के प्रकार के बारे में मैंने ऑलरेडी पब्लिक डोमेन में डाला हुआ है। इसमें चरस बरामद हुआ है, एमडीएमए बरामद हुआ है, मेथाम्फेटामिन जिसको कहते हैं एमडी बरामद हुआ है और एक्सटेसी भी बरामद हुआ है। तो ये सब सिंथेटिक ड्रग्स की कैटेगरी में आते हैं और पार्टी ड्रग्स माने जाते हैं। तो ये सब हुआ है और आने वाले दिनों में जो कनेक्ट्स मिले हैं, जो मैसेजेस में जो और डिटेल्स मिल रहे हैं, हो सकता है और भी ड्रग्स बरामद किए जाएं। तो ये जब आने वाले दिनों में आगे की कार्रवाई होगी तब पता चलेगा।
कुछ लोगों को इंटरसेप्ट किया है हमने और उनकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू है। अभी कुछ भी कहना इट विल बी वेरी प्रीमेच्योर। ड्रग हैज बीन रिकवर्ड और ये सब मैं नहीं बता पाऊंगा आपको। आई विल प्रॉपर्ली इशू एंड।
सर, कितने लोगों को ताबीब लिया गया है?
8 से 10 जनों को अभी वी आर इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग देम।
In what is seen as the biggest crackdown on drug menace in Mumbai, the NCB team raided a cruise and recovered drugs. They have also detained 7 to 8 people, and over the night, these people were questioned on how these drugs were procured. There were some known people amongst those who have been detained. We'll have to wait and see whether NCB registers a case against them, arrests them, and also arrests the peddlers who had supplied the drug on the cruise. With camera person Raju Revankar and Ejaz Khan, Mustafa Sheikh for India Today.
मुंबई में जो इस समय डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, खासकर नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की कार्रवाई, और उसमें आपके दोस्त हैं शाहरुख खान, उनके बेटे आर्यन का नाम आया है और हिरासत में वो भी लिए गए हैं, पूछताछ चल रही है। उस पर क्या कहेंगे सुनील शेट्टी?
हिरासत में नहीं ले गए, बहुत सारे लोगों को रेड था तो बहुत सारे लोग एक जगह है। स्पेकुलेशन है, फिलहाल तो टोटल स्पेकुलेशन है। तो स्पेकुलेशन को स्पेकुलेशन ही रखकर इससे दूर रहे तो बेहतर रहेगा। वर्डिक्ट आ जाएगी। जहाँ तक मैं आर्यन को जानता हूँ, द बॉय इज़ अ लवली बॉय। मैं बहुत प्यार करता हूँ आर्यन से और यही कहूँगा कि क्या है, बोलते तो है कि हज़ारों लोग थे वहाँ पर, लेकिन नाम सिर्फ और सिर्फ बॉलीवुड का लिया जाता हमेशा। तो कहीं ना कहीं स्पेकुलेशन को हम पूरी तरह से जब रिपोर्ट आए तब देखें तो बेहतर ही रहेगा।
Well, let me cut across to Pankaj joining us more on that. Pankaj, we heard Sunil Shetty speak on Aryan Khan, also saying that there were thousands of people on that cruise ship, but only Bollywood celebrities are often pulled up and harassed. This is what he says, but do take us through exactly what the NCB has found on Aryan Khan so far.
So Nabila, as far as Aryan Khan is concerned, the concern of the NCB is primarily to find out his role in the entire story. Whether he had come on his own, whether he had come with his friends, whether he was the one who had organized the party, or if at all he had some role in drug procurement as well. Importantly, right now, the NCB is also conducting raids in the suburban area of Belapur in Navi Mumbai. And what we have also learned is that during the interrogation of the 8 people, the name of a drug peddler had also come out. And it is also being suspected that it was this very drug peddler who had supplied drugs for this party. Now, this very raid in the suburban area of Belapur in Navi Mumbai, for that matter, becomes all the more important. NCB also adds that the investigation is far from over. They are saying that they are not ruling out that in the days to come there could be more arrests. They are not ruling out there could be more drug seizures as well in the future as well. And off record, Narcotics Control Bureau officials also say there are high-profile people, and of course, as we understand, many people are saying that there are kids of political families, high influential political families involved, big Bollywood families are involved, high-profile people are involved. So there's bound to be a lot of pressure as well. But the Narcotics Control Bureau says that they will be working under the purview of law, be it any pressure. They are going to follow the path of the law. At the same time, there's a statement that has come in from the cruise liner as well. And the ship owners maintain that they are not involved directly or indirectly, and that they had already let out their ship for an event to a Delhi-based management company, and that they are fully cooperating with the NCB officials. NCB on its part says that they want to get to the bottom of the things, and that's why the captain of the ship has also been summoned. So the story is far from over, and NCB says the investigation is going to continue. It was around, Nabila, at around 12 when we were told that the statements of the 8 people are being taken, and it's going to take some time. It's past 3. Once the statement of all the people are taken, it's only after that the entire process of arrest is going to start. So we are right outside the Narcotics Control Bureau. It was yesterday night time when all these people were brought in here for questioning. Since then, they are inside. A total of 8 people, including Bollywood superstar's son, who's also been questioned, whose involvement, of course, also is being very closely, minutely being looked by the Narcotics Control Bureau. And as I said, interestingly, NCB says the investigation is far from over. And even as we speak, raids are continuing by the NCB in the suburban area of Navi Mumbai.
Right, Pankaj, we're going to continue tracking those details. Thank you very much for joining us. Let me cut across to Paulami Saha there, who explains to us on how exactly the NCB carried out this bust at this rave party.
The inside details that India Today has accessed as far as this investigation is concerned. The first thing, the NCB, the Narcotics Control Bureau, received a tip-off about the possible drugs party on a ship. It received a tip-off. The NCB team then disguised itself as passengers who then boarded that ship, which of course is now being investigated, and the owner will be called in as well. The rave party, in fact, began as soon as the ship left the Mumbai coast. That is what the NCB is telling us. The NCB team, in fact, swung into action as the ship reached mid-sea of the Mumbai coast. The NCB then conducted raids for 7 long hours on that cruiser ship. The Bollywood superstar's son has been detained, among others. He's currently only being questioned, as my colleague Devesh was saying. 4 types of drugs have been seized from that party, which was busted by the NCB. So currently that investigation is on.
Now, so how exactly did the Narcotics Control Bureau really pull off this mega drug bust? All this while hiding on the cruise in plain sight? Narcotics Control Bureau was already aware of the luxury cruise party. In fact, they set up an elaborate trap, and the operation began on October 2nd at around 1 p.m. About 25 NCB officials were present on that cruise, undercover, disguised as passengers, stopped this cruise just before it got onto the middle of the sea and began search operations. What followed was an elaborate 7-hour-long raid, and according to the NCB, all suspects, as per the information, were searched, and various drugs like MDMA, ecstasy, cocaine, charas were recovered. In fact, the NCB also said that probe is currently underway, and 8 to 10 people are being questioned, including superstar's son, Aryan Khan, and also close friend Arbaz Merchant, who had supposedly been the one who had really taken Shah Rukh Khan's son along with him to that party. He's also allegedly hidden drugs in his shoes that was recovered by the NCB during the search. 6 organizers of that cruise party have also been summoned by the NCB now.